Stop. So how do you tell somebody that you have a mouth odor? Or how do you tell somebody close to you that he or she is having a bad breath? So today I decided to teach us oral hygiene. Oral hygiene is very, very important, but we tend to neglect it. Now, how do we care for our mouth? How do we care for our teeth? How do we care for our tongue? So that when you talk beside somebody, if you have eaten garlic before, you will understand what I'm saying. So that when you talk beside somebody, they will not begin to say, I understand, no problem. No, when you talk beside somebody, you should be very free. Let me not even talk about maybe we want to kiss somebody, you want to kiss your wife or you want to kiss your husband and all that. The man is like, or the woman is not. No. So today I'm going to teach you what are the things you need to do so that you don't have all those bad breath problems. First of all, brush your teeth at least twice a day. Now, if you're having toothache, bad breath, I'm also going to teach you how to take care of it. So, what are the things you need to do? Brush your tongue, brush your teeth at least twice a day. How do you do that? When you wake up in the morning, first thing you need to do is this. Eat, and then after eating, make sure after your breakfast you brush. And then make sure that after every meal that you take, make sure you rinse your tongue, floss your teeth, your mouth every time. Then next one you need to do is before dinner, make sure that you after dinner, make sure that you brush your mouth, brush your tongue, clean everywhere before you could retire to bed. After brushing at night, make sure nothing goes into your mouth. Now, somebody will want to ask, what about the kind of brush that I'm supposed to use? Now, if you want to know the kind of brush that you want to use, this is it. For me, in the market, when you go to the market, we have the hard brush, we have the soft brush, and we have the medium. I always recommend that you use medium. Don't use soft, don't use hard. Use medium. Now, what about the toothpaste? What kind of toothpaste should you use? Use fluoride toothpaste. I always recommend that. Please, don't use the one with nicotine. Now, somebody may say, I'm not comfortable with using fluoride toothpaste. Now, if you don't want to use that, there are other different alternatives. Now, for somebody whose teeth has gone so bad, you can always use toothpaste that contains baking soda, or you can also use baking soda to brush your teeth. Now, if you don't want that, there are some toothpaste that contains aloe vera, and there are some that doesn't contain aloe vera, but they contain tea tree, and there are some that contains both tea tree and aloe vera together. You can use them. They are so wonderful. Now, if you don't want to use that, there's still another option for you. What is this option? There is still one that contains mint leaf. Mint is very, very good for your health. It's very good for people that are having bad breath, people that are having bad mouth odor. Now, you use it at least twice a day. Use it to brush your teeth, brush your tongue. At the end of this video, I'm going to attach a video that I gave to send to somebody last 2 years on how to brush your mouth and how to brush your tongue and all that, so that you see it and then see what you need to do in order to know the best way to take care of your mouth and your teeth. Now, for somebody that is having toothache, somebody wants to ask, how do I take care of my mouth myself if I'm having toothache? Now, this is the simple remedy that I used for somebody who was actually having toothache before in Nigeria. So he came to me, he said, I can't sleep at night. The best thing I want to do now is to go and remove the teeth so that I'll be free. I said, no, you don't need to remove it. Now, I went to the market. I personally bought him toothpaste which contains fluoride. That I think it was Oral-B then. Then I also bought him new toothbrush, the medium one. Make sure that whenever you feel like you are having toothache or you have tooth pain or whatever it is, or bad breath, first thing you need to do is change your toothbrush. Next thing you want to do after that, make sure that you check your toothpaste if it is original. Those two things are very, very important. I understand that sometimes we want to go to the pharmacy, we want to go to the doctor, and when you go to the doctor and the doctor doesn't give you any medication, you feel like the doctor doesn't know what he's doing, or the doctor doesn't understand you very well, or the doctor is so wicked or whatever, or the doctor doesn't understand what he studied in school. No. This medication you are taking, the drugs you are taking are actually poison. I will still teach this very soon in other of my videos, so that we fully understand that we don't need medication at all time. What you need to do is simple things, simple remedies to take care of yourself. So what are these simple remedies I just talked about? If you're having tooth pain, please change your toothbrush, change your toothpaste. Now if you want your teeth to be very white, what you need to do is use baking soda. Use it to brush your mouth and your tongue. I know, and when you taste it, you will feel like the taste is not okay, but continue using it. Your tongue and your mouth will get used to it, and you feel so comfortable with it. So I feel like I will stop this video, because I know we don't want to watch something so long. I will stop it here. But please, if you're having toothache, tooth pain, you don't need to take any medication. Don't take pain relief. There are side effects to these medications. Don't go and remove your teeth. It is not something that you need to remove your teeth for. It is just something simple that you need to do, and then you get better. God bless you all in Jesus' name.